I'm going to try to speed assemble this kit, the amplifier OKY 3462-9-2 AA4 whatever TDA 7297. I think they wrote this wrong on the package because the chip is actually 7297, as you can see. Right somewhere. Yeah, I can see it, but yeah. This may be an old chip or a defective chip, whatever. We'll have to see because it's quite oxidized and dirty, so I don't know. So yeah, first step. I chosen a big heatsink because I want overkill. Last time I had one of these amplifiers, it had a really small radiator, like half the size of this, and yeah, it got quite hot. I don't want that because it's bad for the chip. It's bad for my peace, inner peace. What do you call it? Peace of mind. Oh yeah, that's it. I want peace of mind, so I'll even put some thermal paste on this, and then screw it to the radiator. Usually this is the last step in assembling, but I figured this will hold the parts in a place. It will be much easier to assemble the whole thing if it's not moving around. Yeah. Thermal paste. This is some generic whatever. Nothing special. But it doesn't get hard even in 10-20 years. Yeah, that's how long I had it. At least for 15 years I had it and used it on a whole bunch of computers, graphics cards. You can check out some of my videos. I did paste replacements. So yeah, let's just easily tighten it down. Okay, so at least the top part, yeah, it's all around good. Even in the bottom it came out a bit, so yeah, that means it's covering everything. Okay, so let's see the soldering part, like that. And I need solder here, and this is not the best angle. The shiny, oh, this is how I can see it best. I don't know about the camera, so I would need to hold it horizontally, but yeah, I'll just solder two legs. Yeah, the smoke is coming towards me. That's not the best idea here, but yeah, let's solder this one. And it didn't solder properly. Let's zoom in maybe so you can see better. Yeah, that's kind of crap. From this side it's not covering. It didn't flow all the way around. So let's see. Let's see from this side also. Yeah, that's not very good, but I don't think it matters. Let's solder this one too on the other side and other row, and try to heat up everything as you should. And what happened there? I can't see in this light. I need better lighting. It's not good enough. Man, this is weird. I don't get it. It's making contact, but yeah, I don't know. I'll just do the best I can. Those legs don't want to be soldered. I don't know. Maybe I should try some of this paste thing here. That's supposed to clean the surfaces. Let's see if it does any better. Let's see this one. Or this one. Yeah, it's a lot better, but it still didn't go around. So I don't know. This has weird legs. This uh, chip. Yeah, now it's okay. So I have to leave it a bit longer. Heat it a bit longer, just a bit, not too much. And that didn't work. What? Yeah, now it's okay. So it just needs more solder. It's going into the hole or something. That's strange. Yeah. So just more solder. I guess that's the solution for now. But it's not very scientific. This is just a temporary observation. Just in the moment. Yeah, it's very weird. It doesn't like being soldered. Weird. But it's connecting fine. I mean, I think it doesn't move. It's connected, but I don't like the looks of it. Maybe I should have cleaned the legs before soldering, seeing that it's all oxidized, rusted, or whatever you call it. Why does this smoke come towards my face? That's not good. Let me open a door. Yeah, that's mostly fine. But this eats up a lot of solder. Man. That's not good. Not great, but what am I doing here? Oh, that's another. I didn't get to that part yet. Oh boy. So this one. So I heat up the pad first. The solder flows around. And then I heat the leg for a bit more. Maybe that will work. Yeah, I think so. It's almost finished. Yep, that's weird. But yeah. Maybe you can tell me in the comments below if you ever encountered such a. I mean, I shouldn't complain, this was a $2 kit. So, what do you want for $2? A chip that was in the warehouse for 20 years, I think. When was this amplifier chip first released? I bet it was a long time ago. I remember my father using it in some amplifier in my childhood. So Yeah. Oh, well, they are soldered, but I think I have to redo some of them. Like here, that's not properly connected. Let me wait. Can it focus? So yeah, it's they all connect, but yeah, this is an amateur job. But as you can see, they are kind of dirty, oxidized. I don't know. Even the this part here, yeah, I don't like it. Okay, but it's soldered. I'll leave it just like this. If it doesn't work, then I'll redo it. But yeah, that one pin. I mean, the first two. Let me just add some more solder there, like that, and on the second one. Yeah, now I like it better. Okay, I think they are fine now. Maybe the last one needs a bit more. This one. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Okay, so now let's put in the other components. Hopefully I still have this open. Oh yeah, I have a drawing of how it's supposed to look. So yeah, let's open the package here. So it's all written out nicely. This is a capacitor, 100U. Uh, this is a diode probably, and all the things that you need here. Two resistors. Those are the two resistors here. And what are the other ones? 224. Oh yeah, those are these guys. So 224. 224. How should I put this? Like that. The diode with the part there, with the dash or minus, whatever it it was meant to represent. Yeah, I don't know electronics. Like that, the small capacitor. Wait, it's entirely different. I mean, not entirely, but so this is the 10U, okay, and the negative is going on that side like this. The two resistors. I mean, the capacitor is in a different place on the image I'm looking at, so it must be another revision of the logic board, or whatever you call this thing. So yeah, the two resistors. And another capacitor, which is the negative over there. So let's leave this one with a bit longer legs so it can stand away from the heatsink. Yeah, let's leave it longer like that. And let's start soldering like this. Let's see. I can't turn it upside down because all of them will fall out. But maybe I can do it like this. Yep, that was better. So it must be the legs of that stupid chip. With corrosion. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to look. Nice solder joints. It flows on every surface evenly, nicely. So yeah, let's move the capacitor like that, and the other ones I don't care about really. Maybe it won't even heat up much because I oversized the heatsink, so maybe it won't be a problem. But yeah, most capacitors don't like heat, and they get ruined in time after much use in high temperatures. So yeah, let's get one leg of each, and then I can turn it upside down. The small capacitor can stay wherever, it doesn't matter. And the other two capacitors, should I raise them slightly from the board? I mean, they look better that way. Slightly raised. Okay. I mean, if you accidentally push them, okay. So that's almost all of the components. Is anything missing? This is the line in, line out. No, line in one, line one in, left, right, and here is the output. The other output for two speakers. And the 12 volt. Where does the 12 volt come in? Oh yeah, this is interesting. This is the positive. Yeah, that's it's even printed there, right in the hole. Plus 12 volts and minus 12 volts. Okay, so these two are the power supply, input and output on both sides. Okay, so we just have to solder some more the other legs of each component. I mean the second leg of each component. And then cut off the remaining legs with the pliers I bought recently for $2. I mean 3, I think, technically $3. Okay, what? Oh, there's one more that's hiding. It's where did I see it? Oh, here. So yeah, these are soldered. This, that. Okay, okay. Everything is soldered like that, and let's see how I can cut with this thing. So the tip doesn't cut very well, but slightly towards the mid. Yeah, it's usable, but I'd really need to sharpen the tip. I mean, the tip has to be closer. Oh boy, it's flying everywhere. So maybe that's not a good solution. Just slow cut them like this and they fall down. Okay, so these two, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. So that doesn't look too horrible. And yeah, the next video will be about wiring it up and the light just turned out down, turned off at 20 minutes. So yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video.